Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new topic of grammar clauses. A clause is a group of words which is a part of a sentence. It has its own subject and verb. So, students, there is a sentence. A group of words is called a sentence, this you know, and clause is a part of a sentence. If you look at the sentence, you will see my brother when you go to school. You will see my brother is a clause. When you go to school is also a clause. So these are the parts of a sentence. Now we will discuss kinds of sentences. There are three kinds of sentences: simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. So if a sentence consists of a single subject and a single predicate, then the sentence is called to be a simple sentence. Look at the example. She is intelligent. This is a simple sentence because it has a single subject and single predicate. Next, we have compound sentence. It consists of two or more coordinate or independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction such as and, but, therefore, however, yet, not only, but also, etc. So, students, if in a sentence there are two or more independent clauses and they are connected by a coordinating conjunction, then the sentence is said to be a compound sentence. We took bath and then had our lunch. These are two independent clauses in this sentence and they are connected by the conjunction and. So this is a compound sentence. Next, we have complex sentences. It consists of a main or independent clause and one or more subordinate clause. So, in the sentence, I met his sister who is a doctor. I met his sister. This is the independent clause because it is the main fact. Okay. Who is a doctor? This is the subordinate clause. Now we have main clause. It is a clause that stands as an independent sentence. Okay, it makes complete sense. Examples: the bird flew away, the girl screamed. These are main clauses. Now we have subordinate clause. It is a clause that is dependent upon the main clause. She said that she was honest. So here she said is the main clause and that she was honest is subordinate clause. In the next sentence, it is a miracle that he was saved. It is a miracle is the main clause. That he was saved is the subordinate clause here. Now let's discuss types of subordinate clause. Noun clause. It does the function of a noun. Example: I know what you want. She says that she is happy. Students, noun clause answers the question what. Okay, I know is the main clause here. What you want is the subordinate clause and it is the noun clause here because it answers what. She says, if I ask what, then you will say that she is happy. So that she is happy is the noun clause here. Next, we have adjective clause. It is a clause that does the work of an adjective. It is introduced by the relative pronoun, the relative adverb. Example: this is the boy whom I know well. This is the boy is the main clause here. Whom I know well is the subordinate clause here. And whom I know well is the adjective clause. Okay? Because it works as an adjective in this sentence. Which boy? Whom I know well. Okay. He found a dog which he had lost. He found a dog is a main clause here. Which he had lost is the subordinate clause here. And it is adjective clause because it works as an adjective in this sentence. Next, adjective clause answers who, which, whose. The man who is in white coat is a doctor. So, who is in white coat? This is the adjective clause here because it answers who, which, whose. Okay. Next, we have adverb clause. It is a clause that does the work of an adverb. Example: we will leave as soon as we are ready. So, here the clause as soon as we are ready works as adverb clause. Walk fast lest you should miss the train. In this sentence, lest you should miss the train is the adverb clause because it works as an adverb here. Students, how can you identify the adverb clause? Adverb clause answers the question when, where, why, how, etc. So students, this was all about clauses. If you have any doubt in this topic, you can ask. Thank you.